Hey guys, it's Eliza from ContentStudio, and today we're gonna talk about Number 1. Use trending hashtags. Now the key to being searchable on any social media network, including TikTok, is using trending hashtags. So you need to search for hashtags that people are interested in. Number 2. Make videos with trending sounds. Even those who don't use TikTok come across music that has become popular on the video app first. This alone shows how much TikTok is about hopping onto audio trends. Number 3. Write enticing captions. Short and sweet. This is how your caption needs to be on TikTok. TikTok restricts caption length to just 300 characters, and in these 300 characters, you're not only supposed to add your caption but also put in your hashtags. So unsurprisingly, you'll have to keep your caption very enticing. Want to write an attractive caption? Add a question to it, crack a joke, or give a quick idea of your content. Number 4, select a topic you're exceptionally good at. Pick what you're good at and make TikToks on that subject. This way, as you create content in one niche consistently, the algorithm and fellow TikTokers will see you as an expert on that topic. Moving on to our next point, that is best time to post on TikTok. Now the best time to post on TikTok is when your audience is present. As you would expect, this differs for different creators as it depends on factors such as your location and when your audience is likely to use TikTok. To find the best time to post on TikTok, go to your account's analytics. There, your followers' activity will give you a quick look at when your audience is most active. Make notes for each day and keep retracking this important detail. Now, to make things easier, you can also plan your content for the week. You can then add all your videos to a scheduler like ContentStudio so that your TikToks are published at the right time each day without delay. Now, this helps you stay punctual and takes work off your plate on busy days. Number 6. Make high-quality videos. Now this one is a no-brainer, right? So needless to say, if your video quality is poor, you'll have a hard time making it to the For You feed. So what should you keep in mind when shooting videos? Do you need an expensive camera to get started? Not at all. Shoot videos using your phone camera, but make sure the lighting is good. Use trending effects, keep the sound on, make short, easily consumable videos, and shoot vertically. Moving on to our next point is get chatty in the comments. Remember how we mentioned that the more engagement on your videos, the higher the chance of getting a boost in the For You pages. So another tip for working with the TikTok algorithm is to create engagement. One way to do that is by talking to people in the comment sections. Number 8. Collaborate with other TikTokers. TikTok has an impressive 18% engagement rate with micro-influencers. To begin with, connect with creators in your niche by commenting on their posts. You can also make comments in the form of videos. What's more, you can use tools and tactics such as Stitch and Duet to interact and collaborate with TikTok creators. Stitch is a tool that enables you to slip in bits of another TikTok video on your own. On the other hand, with Duet, you can record your own video alongside another TikTok. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to follow the pattern, that is like, share, and subscribe. Hit the bell icon to get notified. We'll be back with another amazing video pretty soon. Until then, goodbye.